Dungegar is the spot we came across in Overlander, and it's pretty amazing. Yeah, just worth it. Milo. Beautiful trails. It's in the mountains. We have to drive like a lot of distance for this. Let's look at this serene and lush green mountains of Nepal. So this is what usually people come for Nepal. Other than lakeside, people really like to do camping in these places, and we have been staying here for almost 2 days now, and we are planning to stay one more day as well right here. The snow mountains are spectacular from here. It's clearly visible. It's tall and majestic. Milo, come. Milo is so happy. Yeah. Just have to cross a bridge. Maybe I don't have to, but it's really yeah. So I could have took the land bridge, but I really wanted to try this bridge. I'll put Milo down. Let's see what happens. Milo, come. Holy shit, man. So beautiful sunset. Milo, come. Milo, come. Yeah. Almost reached the village. This is a journey of me buying a Coke and a milk. Almost there to the village. The sun is almost out. We just came by a beautiful stream on the way. Right here. Milo, come. Milo, come. Hindi thoda. Thoda.
तुम क्या हो?
हाँ?
तुम्हारा नाम क्या है?
गोकुल.
Yes. कैसे आए हो?
Fine.
कहाँ से आए हो?
India.
इंडिया से आए हो?
South India.
साउथ इंडिया. ओ मालू. क्यूट सा कुत्ता है यहाँ पर. मोलो. नहीं काटते इसलिए. मोलो. नहीं काटते. समझदार है मोलो.
Milo.
बहुत अच्छा है डॉग. बहुत अच्छा है. आप ब्लॉग बनाते हो?
Yes.
तुम्हारा ब्लॉग का नाम क्या है?
Milo is getting a lot of attention. YouTube channel.
हाँ. हेलो.
Subscribe.
सब्सक्राइब कर दियो हमारा भाई को.
Oh.
हमारे भैया का सब्सक्राइब करो. हमारे भैया का सब्सक्राइब.
Hi. All the kids are right here. Hi. Just bought this Coke and milk, and on the way back to where I parked, Milo is tired, so he can't walk. So yeah, pretty peaceful. I mean, not pretty, very peaceful from the life I used to live. Just look at this. It's like straight away from the movie kind of. Have to climb all the way top. Already tired. It's okay. Milo is supercharged. He's so active, see. And I'm like done already. Still a long way to go. Hopefully I want to reach the van before the sun is out. Yeah. This dog is crazy. Hi, 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 hi. Oh, what? Running away. I have to catch him. Come, Milo. Almost there. Finally, we reached Dungegar. Yeah. Whew. Rose is sleeping. Don't let him on the bed. Rose, good. Here, I bought some Coke. Chill Coke.
Thank you.
Dungegar. This place we saw in Overlander. Beautiful place. Just look at this. Right now there is no one staying around. We are the only one who's camping. But it's quite a place. Wow. Just look at the city over there. I don't know if you can see it, but it's so spectacular, man. Dungegar. They're so kind and friendly. You can find this place in Overlander. So they charge like 300 for a night if you are using water and electricity. Other than that, it's free to park. We have been staying for 2 days now. I was planning to chill in the terrace today evening and look over the valley. Yeah. You good? Turn on the lights. Why is it so dark? Yeah. And put the dog down. Much better. Good?
There's mosquitoes.
I'll close it.
That was fine.
Very nice. We'll close this. So yeah, that's it for today, I guess.